Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I am Rebecca, and today we're going to make these cute little air tag holders. I have a snap tab version that I'm going to show you how to make, and an eyelet version. It's just a little snap tab with a pocket so you can slide your air tag in. I'm also calling it a quarter keeper because I don't have an air tag, but look, I threw some quarters in there. Anyways, so this is going to be a quarter keeper too. So if you have that store, Aldi near you can throw some quarters in this thing and always have a cart. Anyways, so let's get started. These are the supplies that you'll need to get started. It's just a small design, so just grab some scraps. The design itself is 1.5 by 2.5 for the eyelet, and 1.5 by 3.5 for the snap tab version. So cut your scraps accordingly. I have mine cut about 1 inch bigger on each side. So I have mine cut at 2.5 by 3.5 and 2.5 by 4. And I do have lining pieces. You can line them if you want. I did, but you don't have to. Some of the vinyl's nice on the inside, so you don't have to do that. One side will be unlined anyways, but that's up to you if you want to do that or not. So, and then I have some eyelets and chains and accessories that we can add on to our projects later. This cute little keyring thing that they're popular right now, so just cute little accessories. Anyways, so the first step on the machine is always a placement for the hoop design. So I'm going to run that and I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. Okay, so here's the placement step. Now you want to turn your hoop over if you're going to put some lining in it, and place your lining fabric over the entire placement design. And secure it with tape since it's on the back side of the hoop. We don't want any shifting when we put it in the hoop. So like so. And then on the front side, you just want to take your vinyl and cover the entire placement. Like so. I'm going to run step 2 on the machine, and I will show you what that looks like in just a second. Okay, so step 2 is ran, and it secured those together. So now we're going to put our pocket on. So turn to the back side of your hoop, grab your scraps, and you can, these little placement lines that stick out, line up your pocket with those so you can have a half a pocket. I'll do that on this one because I have full pockets on my other ones. Or what I like to do, so I can use my snap tab so it has more protection, I just move it up to where the snap tab part starts, but your pocket starts at those lines. So you know what, I'm going to do it that way because I think it's more secure that way for these, so they don't fall out. And then on the eyelet one, I'm just gonna do the same thing and cover up the entire design. But you definitely, if you want like a half a pocket, line it up straight where the pocket starts. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cover the whole thing up, make sure everything is covered, and I'm gonna secure it with tape and run that last step. And then we're done. Then we put the accessories on, and it's just a fun, cute design. You can make a whole bunch of them real quick. Anyways, I will show you what that looks like in just a second. Okay, so it's all done. Now you just remove your project from your hoop, clean up the stabilizer, and trim. I'm going to show you how I trim the eyelet one, so you know. Since I did the full backing, use your front lines to help guide you with your cutting. Just follow it all the way around. Like so. And see how it's full on the back. And I just used my little hole puncher crocodile thing and poke my holes right where that placement is. Do both layers. I use an eyelet on both sides to help keep it secure, you know, so it's not gonna pull away from the vinyl or tear it or anything. So I'm just gonna put my little eyelet in there, squish it. And put a little clasp or key ring or what are these, ball chains, whatever you want. Anyways, I'm not going to show you how to do the next one. You can probably figure that one out. But you just add your snap on the back here and up top, and then put your little key ring in. It's just a cute little fun project. Somebody asked for one of these, and thought I would go ahead and make one. I've made all kinds because they're kind of fun and they're cute, and I can definitely use it for my change. Anyways, thanks for watching.